and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jillian and today I have a refrigerator deep cleaning organizing video for you guys. So my refrigerator had a lot of stuff in it that needed to be pulled out, like leftovers and just old food, and I haven't given it a good cleaning for a while. I've done a few wipe downs, but I haven't actually pulled everything out in a while to clean them off. So that is what today's video is going to be. I'm gonna look completely different in this cleaning video because I completely forgot to film an intro and an outro. So I am filming this on a completely different day. So that is why I'm going to look different in this video. So now let's just jump into my refrigerator deep cleaning. All right, you guys, so this is the before on how my refrigerator is looking. So there is a lot of stuff in here that is like leftovers or just food that is expired that needs to be thrown away. So I'm just giving you guys a before shot on how everything is looking. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pull every single item out of the refrigerator. And once I'm done pulling everything out, then I'm going to start taking out the shelves, everything from the fridge, and then I will clean it in the sink. You guys are going to see that I am struggling while trying to clean it in the sink. I usually will clean all of this outside in my backyard just because it's more easier, but on this day it was raining outside, so I had no choice but to clean it inside. And you guys are going to see that putting it in the sink was a little bit of a mission, but I was able to do it. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of my dish soap, and I'm going to use some hot water and just clean it off in the sink. As you guys can see, it barely fit in my sink and there was literally water everywhere in my kitchen, but I was able to make it happen and I was able to get everything cleaned. But like I said, it is much more easier just to do this outside. Next time I decide to clean out my fridge, I'm going to make sure that it's not raining outside. But like I said, regardless, I was able to go ahead and get everything cleaned. fridge, I'm just going to use a washcloth and then also this antibacterial spray by the brand Method. This is the wildflower scent. I bought mine from Target, and I'm just going to use that and wipe down everything inside of the fridge before I start putting everything back in. All right, guys, and this is the after, and obviously I need to go grocery shopping. This was on a Thursday that I cleaned this out, and I usually go grocery shopping on Fridays. But over here, I have a lot of condiments and just like coffee creamer. I have jelly, barbecue sauce, buffalo sauce, stuff like that. And then over here in the drawers, I have like veggies. So in the bottom, I have sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. In this drawer, I have some of these green beans from our garden in the backyard. That's why they are in Ziploc bags. And then a cucumber. And then I think I only have one bag of cheese in this drawer. Obviously, I'm really low on fruit. We have some strawberries and some grapes up here. And then I have some almond milk and regular milk, juiced eggs, apples, yogurt, all that good stuff up here. And then all the way in the top, I have my husband's soda and my sparkling water. So this is how it ended up. All right, guys, so that is going to end my refrigerator deep cleaning for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's motivational cleaning video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you have not already. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.